Hello, users. Hello, and hello and welcome. Sorry, I was just looking into something that is very hard. We can see today discussion is based on the volatility in the market, and in our studio of world breaking news today with us, Mr. John from Mr. John. So it would be better that Mr. John will explain himself. So meet Mr. John. He's a blockchain expert more than 8 years, and today he's going to tell us about the volatility and the crypto market, how it will looking, and how it will go, not go, everything. He has been researching about the cryptocurrencies, major coins in the market since more than 8 years. So it's very important to listen him. So Mr. John.
Yeah, Mr. Freddy, thanks a lot for having me on the board. First of all, I would like to welcome all the audience of World Blockchain, World. Sorry, I forgot the name of this channel.
Well,
World
breaking.
Breaking News. Yeah. So a very high good evening to all of you. Mr. Fred, as we will go ahead in the discussion, I would like to point out few points
Yeah.
to look a better view upon the current situation in the market.
Yeah.
So starting from the market capital, if we will look upon the market capital in the in today scenario, the whole market cap is around 1.5 trillion dollar.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
as we can see in the last 24 hours, there is an infusion in the market. That's why the market is up around 1.4%,
Yeah.
and
It's
1.4% gain in a single day to the overall crypto market. Yeah, such a great thing.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And
That's Mr. John is also a sign of bullish
yeah,
market. We
exactly.
can we can we where can we, Mr. John, think that this is the time, this is the way where the bull market will start? Can we think so?
like Mr. Fred, as we can see, and according to my own experience that I have in this expertise, I can say that bull market is something upon the sentiment about the market. There are two major events coming.
Yeah.
Maybe this year ETF will be announced, or in Jan 2024, we don't know yet. Okay, but these are the sentiments which has been playing a positive role in our audience, in our investor mindset.
Yeah.
Another mega event, which is Bitcoin halving. Everywhere it's a more sounding thing right now around the world, around the investor mind.
Correct.
So bull run is kind of thing, like for a people who bought Bitcoin few months ago at the price of $15,000, they are already having 3x.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
for them it's already a bull run.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
but if what someone will enter the market right now at this place, they will wait for the bull run. Okay, so we have to analyze some coins who have potential during the bull run. Like I can personally say, we are not into bull run right now, but
And
we
one
yeah.
more thing, that we are not giving any suggestions
Yeah.
that you put your money, though your valuable money, in these assets. We do not advise to invest, and we strongly recommend that you do your own research
Yeah.
before investment.
Yeah, exactly,
We are
exactly.
not going to advise you that you put the money, and it's
Yeah, exactly. Like
yeah.
one have to research their own
Yes,
thing.
yes.
Like they have to listen to their
Yeah.
own analysis rather
Correct.
than listening to
Yeah,
us.
yeah, that's important.
Okay, And
So, Mr. John, I want to know that
yeah,
what do you think that which coin is more profitable from this situation?
like Mr. Fred, like there
Yeah.
are something I want to clear you first.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
like there are a few things going around the world right now in the crypto market, just like CJ
Yeah.
stepped down
Yeah.
from the balance. It was a significant move for the Bitcoin market, for the crypto market.
Yeah.
As we can see, CJ stepped down and BTC already touched 38K. It's
Okay.
not a small sign for the investor to invest because they know, like in crypto space, they value your amount, not your face.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And you know, $4.3 billion, the settlement amount. It is
Yes.
one of the biggest settlement amount in the history of US. So they also know, SEC also knows, like the crypto market have lots of potential. That's why they are trying to regulate the market. And you know, BlackRock.
Yeah.
A BlackRock is coming with a Bitcoin ETF proposal, Ethereum ETF proposal, maybe XRP next, Solana next, ADA next. We don't know yet. But these are the signs that we should keep looking and do our own research by time to time. And there are something that I would like to suggest you that you asked me. There are few coins who will be doing good during the next bull run, or maybe in 15 20 days, or maybe upcoming 1 to 2 months. That will be the most prominent coin, I think, because of their use cases, you know. And there are few meme coin, as we know that whenever Bitcoin going to move upward, meme coin automatically going to up and touch the high and high and high
Yeah.
every time. So like Mr. Fred, there
Okay.
are so many things.
So, so Mr. John,
Yeah.
yeah, I understand. Meanwhile, since more than 10 days this week, we got a lot of query from our users.
Yeah.
They have been asking that what is your thinking
Yeah.
about the meme coins?
Yeah.
Like, does
Yeah.
is it good to invest in meme coins
Yeah, like
this time?
like Doge was a meme. Okay, Fred. We can't say Doge is a meme right now
Yeah, yeah.
because, as we know, X, the most
Correct.
used social media
Correct.
platform. Okay,
Yeah,
they acquired Doge, as we know, not directly but indirectly. Okay, so there will be some use cases from Doge in upcoming year. So, in my point of view, in my perception, I don't think so. Doge is a meme now. It was a meme. So, potentially, I think that in bull run, it will give you nice return if you already grabbed Doge at the lower
Okay.
points. And
Okay.
in current scenario, it's trading around 0.77, 0.78 around. Okay, so I think it will be a good return for those who have already invested in Doge and who are accumulating Doge right now.
Yeah, yeah, you are correct. So meme coins is always giving a very nice return
But
to
you
the
can't,
users.
like I would
But
like to
yeah,
stop you for a second here. You
yes,
can't
yes,
rely on a meme, right?
yes, yes, right.
It can be a risky
Yeah, very
investment.
risk.
So do your own research before
Yes,
investing in
yes.
any kind of meme coin. Okay?
Correct, correct.
Yeah, go ahead, Mr. Fred.
Okay. So one thing, I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
No, it's fine.
So one thing is in my mind, like after the CZ trial, like the BNB coin is down,
Yeah.
and it is just ringing in
Yeah.
the same range.
Yeah.
So what do you think, it will go up
Uh,
in any situation. So what do you think about
like
it? You can see here it has been thinking between 231 to 236. So now what do you think, like, you suggest our users to invest in BNB? Is it right time to take a position?
like Mr. Fred,
Yeah.
in the last session, I think
Yeah.
when the market crashed, okay, that time I personally told so many investors, so many buyers,
Yeah.
and I was on a different broad that time,
Okay.
and I told the audience of that broad, please don't make panic sale.
Ah, yeah,
Yeah, okay. Don't make any kind of panic sale. Don't do FOMO. Just do your research.
Correct.
And I personally told them it's a buy time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you analyze the last market crash, which was around 2 or 3 days ago, from that time, few coins are already giving 25% return in only 2 or 3 days.
Yeah.
So if you will talk about BNB, okay, so BNB is a prominent project. Okay, we can't deny it. It's
Yeah.
it's very prominent project.
Yeah.
And for the current scenario, if you want to acquire BNB, my personal recommendation is that you don't have to acquire BNB right now. Okay, because BNB have fallen around 20%, I think so, from the last point. So there we should have to wait till 220 to 30. As the last time it was, it have a support over 220 dollar, so BNB got pumped from there. So you can see that if you wanna keep BNB in your wallet, in your trading account,
Yeah.
you can acquire it
Okay.
now, or
Yes,
you
yes.
have to like
Yeah, yeah. We have to
you
just
know like
just
you have to manage your
yeah.
portfolio, like
Yes, yes.
do
Just
do do do
what? How much percent you are recommending to put in BNB
like
from our
yeah, exactly.
portfolio?
I was about to say it, like listen, if you have $5,000
Yeah.
account,
Yeah.
just keep accumulating that BNB on different level. For example, put 25% of $5,000 right now and wait for the another pullback. Maybe, possibly, it will be on $215, $210. Then put 25% to your amount there and keep accumulating these kind of coin, because we don't know.
Yeah.
BNB is a
Yeah.
coin which can be major.
Yes, it can perform
Major,
very
yeah.
good in the
In bull run.
bullish market.
Like I personally think that coins like BNB, XRP,
Yeah,
Matic, this can be a next Bitcoin.
Okay, Mr. John.
Yeah.
So Bitcoin ETF
Yeah.
had to come. So
Yeah.
what is the date?
Like on 17th of November.
Okay,
there,
okay.
there was
So,
a, there was a
they-
hearing. There was
Yeah,
a
yeah.
hearing.
Yeah.
So SEC is trying to delay. Okay, and it's good for us because if once Bitcoin ETF will be approved,
Yeah.
we can't be able to gather and accumulate the coin. So
Yeah.
it's nice for
Yes,
us and
it
the
is-
audience.
it's a
Like
right
they are
time.
delaying and delaying.
Yeah.
As we know, already SEC is into huge pressure because they have losing their cases against
Yeah,
XRP
of
and
course,
other
of
coins
course.
too, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it can be a major game play. And yeah, of course, like Bitcoin ETF is a very big, very huge kind of event in crypto
Yeah,
market. Like that.
yeah.
So we have to keep prepared for those kind of things, yeah.
Yeah, we have to.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so one more question coming from our users, like the Bitcoin ordinals.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you think that the Bitcoin price also is affect the ordinals tokens?
Like
So,
Mr.
like,
Fred.
yeah.
Ordinance is a BRC token, right?
Yeah,
if
yeah,
I'm
right.
not wrong here.
Yeah, yeah.
So like a BRC is a more than equivalent thing to the Bitcoin.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And all the BRC token will pump for sure, no issues for that.
Yeah,
when
yeah.
bull run will be coming, when Bitcoin, I can personally say we are into a mini bull run right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you can see like already given 20% return
Yeah,
in
yeah.
last 20 days.
Yeah, correct.
I think so. Okay, if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
like.
Last in last 20 days, you can see Audi just reached from $5 to 20. I think. Let's see. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so
Let's
like
see. You can
if
check it
if you
here.
can calculate the profit percentage from 5 to 20, it's already
Yeah,
full.
you can see just within 20 days it just reached from $10 to $21,
Yeah.
and I think I personally also believe in BRC tokens and its mechanism is working like it's a great, and I think that it is also the BRC 20 coins is also a very good opportunity for the bullish
Yeah,
market.
yeah, like Mr. Fred, one thing is very important here, like before going to invest any coin, make a list. Okay,
Yeah.
it's for the audience. Make a list, make
Yeah.
a choice of 10 or 20 coins. Study them well.
Yeah.
Okay, study their mechanism, study their use case,
Yeah.
and make them mark in your favorite list. And before you will be late, just put your
Yeah.
few amount there and thank me later.
So, Mr. John,
Yeah.
this is not a user question. This
Yeah.
this question is from my side.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No.
How much crypto, how much
Yeah.
crypto coins
Yeah.
you are just holding? You just want to know.
No,
Like I want to tell the users, like your holdings.
Like it's I respect your question, my friend. But we are on a broadcast. I will show my holding later on after the broadcast. But I will surely tell you one thing here,
Yeah.
that I'm holding pretty good amount in crypto right now. And
What? Pretty good.
though like I can't give you the exact scenario of
Okay,
that.
okay. I was just
But,
joking. No problem. So it was
but
just.
but 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 let
Yeah.
me clear you here.
Yeah.
I am damn sure about this whole thing. In next 6 to 8 months, or
Yeah.
maybe 10 months, you can say, I'm going to show you my return percentage that I open my position in this month,
Yeah.
and I will show you my closing position in
Yeah.
next year. So
Yeah, I believe, Mr. John, I believe you that you have already made a billions last in the last bully season. So I know
no, it's
it.
like it's by the grace of God.
Yeah.
We are just doing a hard work in the market, right?
Yeah, yeah. I know. No, that's not the problem. That's your hard work. Like you put in your research and looking into the cryptocurrencies and analyzing the data,
Yeah.
the historical data. So,
Yeah.
I just. It's your hard work,
Yeah.
as I understand.
Yeah, thanks a lot for that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's check out the Bitcoin, how it is performing.
Like,
Just
if,
open.
I want to tell you one thing.
Yeah.
If you can please open a graph of Bitcoin on
Yeah.
CoinGecko.
CoinGecko.
Yeah.
Okay, why, Mr. John? Why you are just referring CoinGecko?
No, like there we can see the historical
Ah,
data, and I want to show
okay,
you that
okay, okay.
before halving Bitcoin,
Yeah, yeah.
Bitcoin was around $4,000.
Okay.
And after halving, it
Oh.
went 40,000.
Okay, really?
So it's already 10 time.
Okay,
It's
okay.
already 10 time.
Yeah,
So.
Okay, so you want to see Bitcoin
Yeah,
data in
Bitcoin, Bitcoin historical data.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
exactly. Before halving,
Before hacking.
it was around 4,000, and after halving, it went 40,000. Okay.
Okay.
So, we
So
can.
what's
we
the
can
date of upcoming halving?
Yeah, like we can expect, we have already touched 69,000. Okay.
Okay.
So if you can imagine 10x of that amount, we are going to touch around 6 or 7
That's
100K.
okay.
Yeah,
that's-
it's my
that's
personal assumption and
Yeah.
analysis. and
Okay.
also Bitcoin ETF.
And your analysis never be wrong.
No, like I
Like
personally think like my most famous tweet was that when Bitcoin was going down from 48,000, I gave the prediction that we are going to touch
yeah.
15,000 around. Okay, and we did.
I
So
I
it's all.
personally follow you whenever I invest, but sometimes you don't reply my message.
No,
That's
no, no, my friend, it's not like that. You know,
yeah.
we have some busy schedule. We have to do lots of research. I apologize for that. You know, sorry for
Yeah,
that.
yeah, no problem, no
Yeah,
problem. So what you were saying something
yeah. Like,
in the graph?
I want to tell you that
Yeah, yeah.
already we have touched 69K, right? So in current scenario, if you will see two events, Bitcoin ETF and the Bitcoin halving,
Okay.
if we can just assume we can just assume like we have a 10x from here,
Okay.
from the all-time high.
Yeah, yeah.
So what we can expect, 7.700k around. So 700 is not a big, like I want to tell you a historical thing about the ETF. You know, when gold ETF was announced,
Yeah, yeah.
it was around, gold was trading around $4.
Okay.
Yeah, and after the announcement of gold ETF, it went 600.
Oh,
You can see the,
really?
yeah,
Yeah.
there are
I'm not into the forex,
like
but
like
yeah.
so ETF is not a kind of joking things. That's why it's the most hottest topic around the
Okay.
world in the
That's why.
investment
That's why.
market, right?
Yeah, yeah. That
Yeah.
the market is being changed.
Yeah, and you know, like they will try to break you. I think they will try to break you from here. They will think you you can do your panic sale, and the big institutional investor will continuously try to accumulate your coins. So
Okay.
don't sell, just open your position. If you are doing into future,
Okay.
keep your leverage low, as
Uh-huh.
low as like 2x or 3x will be very
Yeah,
good
yeah, yeah.
for the long term.
Because you should not take a risk.
Yeah,
Just
like
do your own
everyone have to
research.
manage the risk by their own choices,
Yeah, correct,
how
correct.
much risk you can afford.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because it's
That's
not easy
very.
to
That's
earn money in every field.
okay. I was just looking into the Matic that there is something bad with Matic. Do you know?
Yeah, man, like
Current situation.
I have seen the graph of Matic.
Yeah, yeah.
There is nothing wrong in the Matic.
Oh, it's now great. Like it's doing great. I think it goes up or
Like no, like you can
no,
see,
no.
you can see like Matic have been
Yeah.
doing performing so good, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
but as we can see, it's already touched 79k here. Okay,
Okay.
so we have a resistance over 79 to 80.
Okay,
So
okay.
it got rejected from here, and you can see on the graph we are already trying to push upward. Okay. So, and WPR, which is William percentage ratio, that was indicating a kind of little bit sell off that we saw here in the graph.
Okay.
So, and now we are in a recovery phase. We always got a bounce from here. You can see
Yeah,
the
yeah.
last data.
This seems like a
Yeah.
very
No,
strong
like
support.
so it's going very good.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no worries for the
Yeah, yeah.
Matic. It's a gem coin in the market.
Yes.
I personally recommend everyone who loves Matic. I'm also a Matic lover.
Okay.
Yeah, and we can see the 4-hour candle which got crashed upon 7931, and we are trying to recover this, and
Okay,
soon we
that's
will
great.
recover. I will show you one graph here, like about. Let me let me show you a hidden gem.
Yeah.
Let me show you a hidden gem. It's a graph of ADA.
Yeah.
Let's talk about ADA something. We can see it's a potential coin. Okay.
Okay.
ADA is most potential coin in my view, in my perception, in my analysis, and I personally think in bull run you can see ADA at 10k. Yeah, $10.
Yeah,
$10 is
really.
10. Yeah, $10 is not a big thing for Ada because
Yeah,
it have a community. People loves Ada infrastructure. They love the mechanism behind the Ada,
correct.
and
You are right.
and
Yes.
so they are doing so well. And if you remember the Cardano hard fork in September last year, that was a major event. But at that time, the price was not
Bomb. Yeah.
performing good according to the market demand. But we can say that it's the great time. It's the greatest time we are
Yes.
we are experiencing here, and I personally want to say this is the last time you are watching these major coin at this level. Okay, you are not going to see these major coin at this level, so
Yes.
just try to accumulate as much as you can.
Yeah. Or what's about the dot? Dot is also
Okay,
like
like
its all-time high was around 200 or something.
dot is a
It's no no no. It's
dot have touched $55,
55.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
But you can say that from this position it's almost 11x.
Yeah.
And in bull run we all know that
Yeah, yeah.
major coin try to break their
So,
all-time
so
high.
Mr. John,
Yeah,
you are telling every time that bull run.
yeah,
Like every time I'm hearing from
yeah,
your mouth
yeah.
that in the bull run this coin will go up in the bull run. So do you accept that bull run has already come or has to become? What do you think?
Like I personally think that institutional buyers, okay, they already know about bull run much better than you and I. Okay,
Yeah.
so they know that there are major things coming in upcoming year. So they already trying to accumulate their positions, accumulate their coin 2 months ago. And as we can see in the past 2 months, all the coins, all the market are pumping so hard. So it's a
Okay.
kind of mini bull run for me. And yeah, like for it's a preparation for a mega bull run, as we can say in that thing. It's
Okay.
a preparation for the mega bull run, as we can say. We are into mini bull run right now.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, that's great. I I think so. I'm just looking into BTC.
3 months grab.
It's not 3 months. I want to check it 4 hours.
Yeah.
How is it doing?
Right, like you can
And
see, like Bitcoin have a great 0.61 fib level. It's
okay,
a golden ratio. It's a golden fib level where one can buy. It's a fib level.
okay,
There are some indication which is called Fibonacci level.
okay, yeah, yeah,
Fibonacci is a term, it's a mathematical
yeah,
term,
yeah,
you know.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's 0.61 is the greatest Fibonacci we have ever
Okay.
seen. Like I can say that in the last bull run, we saw this 0.61
Yeah.
on 8K.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and from 8K we touch 69K.
Okay.
So we are experiencing 37,800 around dollar, which is the Fibonacci level of 0.61, and we can assume that it's a 10x, 20x, 50x from you. I don't know
Yeah.
whatever x it is, but it will give you a good valuable return in the market.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, that's good. And really, you said the correct. Like we can think that the bull market is coming soon.
Yeah, you can see
Like
on the
today,
graph.
yes, today, like as we see, Bitcoin touch over 38,000.
38,500
Yes,
around.
yes. That is earlier. It was, if you will see on the graph, it was. Check it out. At this level earlier, it was
It was in around
on 2nd May. 2022.
Yeah, yeah.
So after a long time,
Yeah,
it's
around,
again the same time. So we can, the users and we are also start believing that yeah, this is the time and for taking the position and
like Mr. Fred, I want to tell you that the market is
full of risk.
reacting so optimism way,
Yeah, yeah.
optimistic way. We are having some positive vibe in the market, and the new CEO of Binance, he's nice guy. I personally know him. He's very nice guy, and he have a great vision. How he can carry the Binance. And as we know, Binance is a major player in the Bitcoin right now. For me, Binance is the only goat.
Okay, last time you were talking, Mr. John, about when we met.
Yeah,
So you were talking about, we were discussing about the tweet of CG,
yeah, yeah,
founder of Binance,
yeah,
that he will start looking into some DeFi coins
yeah, yeah,
and will invest
yeah,
in these such type of
yeah.
considerations. So, do you really think that the DeFi coins will grow up now?
Like Mr. Fred, as you told the audience, like last time we discussed about that tweet, okay, and on your broad, I told your audience
Yeah,
just go and buy DeFi,
yeah.
and
Okay.
you can see on the graph
Yeah, yeah.
like Uniswap is trending everywhere.
Yeah.
It's the major DeFi.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, if CJ is saying something, he have a potential. He
Yes.
can bring changes in that coin by the flowing of huge amount of money.
Yeah, yeah. Correct.
Infusion is everything, Mr. Fred.
Yeah.
Infusion is everything.
Yes, yes.
In the market, like
everything in the market.
yeah,
And one more rumor we heard. Let me check that.
yeah,
The rumor about I just you just asked me something
yes, yes,
about the rumor
yes,
and that BlackRock in investing start investing into Bitcoin
yeah, like
because there were a huge buying pressure, like so many buying is happening on Coinbase exchange, and the Coinbase is official partner, like it's a partner with BlackRock. So there is a rumor that maybe BlackRock is buying the Bitcoin. So what is
yeah.
your thinking on this on this topic?
Okay, nice question, Mr. Fred. Like, I want to tell you about BlackRock first of all.
Yeah.
It's not about Coinbase. Okay,
Yeah.
BlackRock is one of the biggest asset manager in the world. If you will see the forex market, which is SP 500 US index, in those all 500 company, BlackRock are having shares. Okay,
Okay.
so they know the potential of crypto markets and they don't want to, miss these kind of buying opportunity. So they must be buying from the window or outside the window. We don't know, but as far as sure, I am sure that they are buying. They are accumulating.
Yeah, maybe we can think so. That can be happen. That can be done. So, yeah. So, Mr. John,
Yeah.
so it's a time. It's a time to close our session,
Yeah.
and then we will soon meet again tomorrow at the same time, and we can discuss more about the more hot topics that about the market and the cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, exactly. We will. We
Okay,
will. We will.
so we will have to stop our broadcast
Yeah,
now
yeah. Thanks for
and
having me, Mr. Fred. It was nice time with you.
yeah,
It is always a great
thank you,
time to
thank you,
have with
because you
company.
don't have so much time, but you come to our studio, so we are so grateful
No, no,
that you
always,
joined
always
us.
available for you. No issues for that. Like,
Yeah, yeah, I'm so thankful to you that you come to our studio. Okay, so it's the time is almost over, so we'll have to say goodbye. So goodbye and take care, everyone. We'll have to stop broadcast. Thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep subscribe our channel to listen more discussion on hot topics.